Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to complete the remaining part of this chapter. Question number third of last exercise. Up to second I explained you, and thank you parents or children those have commented for the best explanation. Okay, I hope you are able to understand properly in such a environment when we are not present in the live class. I am trying to become as a live, but this is virtual class. If any problem comes, you may write in your comment box. As you are writing, not only I am expecting you raise the explanation if any doubt comes, so I will help you to clear the doubt. Now question number third, children, pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to the equation. Show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. Okay, so question number first, 5m is equal to 60. Okay, so 5m, as we have done in the first question, that is second question, putting the value of the given number, you have to find out the that equation is satisfactory or not in the second question. Now you have to pick out when we will put the which value we have to put out of 10, 5, 12. Okay, which value we have to put out to satisfy the given equation, children. Now you see here 10, 5, 12, and if question is, you see here 5m is equal to 60, and which values we can put, that is 10, 5, 12, and 15. 10, 5, 12, and 15. Out of these values, which value will satisfy that 5m is equal to 60? If I will put 5 first, 10 instead of m, if I will put 10, then it will become 50. So this is not equal. Okay, first, if m is equal to 10, so 50 is not equal to 60. Second, 5, you will write if m is equal to 5, that means 5m is equal to 60. In second case, 5, then put value of m from where I am taking second one from the given bracket. Then it will become 60, but this is 5 5s are 25. So this is not equal to 60. So that is also not satisfactory. Then we are taking third value. If m is equal to 12, equation was 5m is equal to 60. If we will put the value of m as a 12, then what we will get? 12 5s are 60, that is equal to 60. So what will be the correct answer of this question? Now no need to try with the 15 as we got the answer with 12. Now children, you will see that in question number third, that 5m is equal to 60. So by putting the value of m, which value? 12. That this value will satisfy. Okay, show that other values do not. Pick out the solution from the values given in the bracket next to each equation. Show that other values do not satisfy. I explained, but they asked to show that other values do not satisfy, so you have to write with 15 also, children, here that 15 is not satisfying, that 5m is equal to 60. If you will write here instead of m, then you will not get 60, that is 75 is not equal to 60. So you have to show another also. If m is equal to what we have put 50, because in the question they asked you have to show that this is not going to, other value is not going to satisfy, that also we have to show. Now children, say orally I will try to explain you. I hope you understood. Now if I will put, say the method I explained you, now oral explanation I am giving. And if I will put 12, 12 plus 12, 24, that is not equal. If I will put 8, 12 plus 8, 20, that is correct. If other values you will put 20, you will put, or 0, you will not get the answer. As but you have to show, because they asked show that the other values do not satisfy the equation. So as I done for first sum, you will do for other remaining sums. But simple explanation I am giving you by oral method. You see here, see p minus 5, then at the place of p, first you will put 0, then what answer you will get? Minus 5 is equal to 5. तो वो तो हो नहीं सकता. तो अब हम next which value we will put? 10th one. 10. So 10 minus 5 you will get 5. So this is the correct value. So 10 minus 5 we are getting 5. So this will satisfy the equation. Same way children, 5 you will try with 5 and minus 5, you will not get the answer. Now children, in D part, what 7 by 2 can't divide it. Then, okay, so this is not satisfactory. 2 by 2, 1 you will get on left hand side. Same 10 divide by 2, 2 5 are 10, so 5 आएगा left side. If you will write q upon 2 is equal to 7, तो यहाँ पर क्या लगाओगे आप? 14 by 2, then what answer will come? 2 sevens are 14. So this last value is satisfactory. Same way children, you will do the remaining E and F. I am not going to explain, because I hope you understood in the better way. You repeat the videos so you will get the ideas. Okay, so very simple question. Now come to question number 4. Complete the table by inspection of the table. Find the solution to equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. Now children, values of different values of m given in the table. 1 दिया है, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue, that means so on. Okay, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? You have to fill the table. If I will put m की वैल्यू यहाँ पर 1 लगाएंगे तो हमको क्या मिल रहा है? 10 plus 11 is equal to 16. It is not possible. ठीक है? Then complete the table by inspection of table. Find the solution. हमको solution find करना है. तो यहाँ पर 10 में क्या प्लस करें कि हमारे पास 16 आए? Obviously it is understood. You will add 6. So what will be the solution? 10, 6 plus 10 is equal to 16. m की वैल्यू हमने क्या लगाई यहाँ पर? Which value we have put here? 6. So answer will be this. So you will write, you will continue with this different values. Same way plus sign was given. Now children, in the next part of this question, which sign they have given? You see, complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution to equation 5. अगर 5t लिखा है, that means t is, that is 5 times. Okay, 5t means 5 into t. जो वैल्यू आप t के प्लेस पे लगाएंगे उसको आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देखेंगे. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड कि यहाँ पर आपने प्लस करके देखना है, यहाँ पर 5t जब दिया है तो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अभी नाउ यू सी विच वैल्यू विल सेटिस्फाई. 5 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें टेबल में कि ये इक्वेशन के 35 आएगा. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are, because by putting the different values we are going to find the satisfactory answer. What will be the solution? 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are okay, 5 6 are 30 and 5 7s are 35. So which value will give the solution when the both side left hand side and right hand side will be equal? That is 7. If I will put 5t is equal to 35, 5 into 7 I will put, then the both sides will be equal, so we have to put 5 into 7. Now come to question number 6 children, sorry C part. Earlier plus, then here division. Okay, by which number? The question is z divided by 3. कौन z क्या होना चाहिए, क्वेश्चन दे आस्क z की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए जब हम 3 से डिवाइड करें उस वैल्यू को तो आंसर 4 आए. ओके, सो विच वैल्यू विल बी गिव द करेक्ट आंसर? यू नो दैट हम 12 को अगर डिवाइड 12 को अगर डिवाइड करते हैं 3 से, देन वी आर गेटिंग what we are getting? 12 को डिवाइड z upon 3 is equal to 4. That means 12 upon 3 is equal to 4. तो आप किससे डिवाइड कर रहे हैं z को? तो करेक्ट आंसर इज, यू हैव टू राइट हियर what will come? 12. So you will get 4 here. Okay, I hope you understood. And other values also you have to fill. अगर 11 को 3 से करेंगे, 11 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 करते हैं तो 3 3s are 9. Okay, and remainder is 2. So what will be the answer? 3 integer 2 by 3. Like this you have to complete the table given over here in your textbook. Now D part, here instead of multiplication division, what you have to do children? Here you will do minus. Okay, किस नंबर में से 7 माइनस करें कि 3 आए? दैट इज 10. बाय रिपीटिंग विद द डिफरेंट नंबर, 5 minus 7 you will not get 3, you will get minus 2. 5 6 minus 7 you will get minus 1. 7 minus 7 0. What I am doing, I am putting the different number given in the table. m की अलग अलग वैल्यूज में लगा रही हूँ. मैंने 5 minus 7 किया तो आंसर आया 2. मैंने 6 minus 7 किया तो आंसर आया 1. मैंने 7 minus 7 किया तो आंसर आया 0. Then 8 minus 7 if I will do, I will get 1. If 9 minus 7 I will do, then I will get 2. But if in this case 10 value I will put, okay, then I will get 3. Okay, so this is the way you have to do. Now children, I have explained. Okay, this last one is a riddle you can do. Okay, if you want to do, you can solve this riddle. From this question, what is, okay, you have learned children. I am giving you one trick to find out this solution. Now you listen carefully. Okay, what is the first you learn what is the opposite of plus? Plus का opposite minus. What here we have done multiply. Multiply का opposite divide. Okay, and here you have to divide दिया है z upon 3, उसका opposite multiply. And m minus 7 इसका multiply, इसका opposite क्या होगा? Plus. If it is clear, then I will which sign they asked, I have written the opposite of that. अब यहाँ पे एक फटाफट हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? देखो, m plus 10 था, m plus 10 is equal to 16. तो आप इस नंबर को m plus 10 है is equal, sorry, m plus 10 है is equal to 16. अब आप क्या कर दो, m इसको माइनस कर दो, 16 माइनस 10, तो व्हाट विल यू गेट? 6 आंसर. तो इसका मतलब m की वैल्यू क्या आनी चाहिए? 6. दिस इज अ वे टू फाइंड quick values. Okay, because in the higher class you have to use this method a little. I am explaining you. 5t is equal to 35. Okay, यहाँ पर आप क्या करोगे? 5t is equal to 35. तो आप 35 को किससे डिवाइड कर देंगे? 5 से. ओके मल्टीप्लाई था तो यू इधर जाएगा अदर साइड, देन द वैल्यू ऑफ t will be, what will be the value of t? देखो 5 से डिवाइड कर दो, द आंसर विल बी 7, सो दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर। एंड अब डिवाइड था तो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, z अपॉन 3 इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड हियर z 4 तो था, अब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? 12 विल बी द आंसर। ओके नाउ यहाँ पे माइनस साइन था, अपोजिट क्या है? प्लस। देन m minus 7 was is equal to 3, तो m is equal to 3 plus 7 करोगे तो आप क्या मिलेगा? 10, so correct answer is 10. So thank you children. Okay, wait for the next video in next class.